Ito na lang ang natara. Pero mukhang masarap. Let's try it. My dinner for tonight. Pizza and mangga. Tapos, meron pang honey. Instead of mayo or ketchup, honey yung nakalagay sa kanya, guys. There, oh. Kinda healthy.